Hi, everybody. I just wanted to follow up with the next steps for working through our concept map. Okay. So the other day, I walked you through the PowerPoint here with some examples and some steps that you are going to be following to create a concept map, two separate concept maps for the two sections you were to have marked and annotated. Okay. So what you're going to do for your homework for this weekend that will be due on Monday is to walk through the steps of the concept map to do both retailing as theater and the second one, which I'm drawing a blank on right now. Okay. So you are going to brainstorm. You are going to organize those brainstorms. You're going to lay them out on the table or desk in front of you. You're going to do the linking, and then you're going to create a final map. Okay. Tomorrow I'm going to post a video that shows you two free websites that you can use to create your concept maps. I'm also going to show you how to do it in Word if you have well, everybody has Microsoft Word, okay? But I want you to do your two concept maps for the two sections that I talked about in the last video. So you're going to follow those steps. Brainstorm, do what it says here. If you don't have Post-it notes, cut up a piece of paper. You're going to organize those brainstorms. You're going to lay them out. You're going to link them. And then you're going to create your final one based on using either drawing it, if you are creative like that, using Word, which I'll show you tomorrow, or one of the two free websites, which I'll show you tomorrow. So if you have not finished marking and annotating, please mark and annotate those two sections so that you are ready to begin constructing both of your concept maps. Okay. Make sure you check announcements on Blackboard for Friday's office hour through Zoom. If you have questions, that would be a great time to hop on and have your questions answered. You can always email me, but it's nice to be able to chat back and forth through office hours. So I will talk to you soon. Get started on that. Look for an email tomorrow.